I've been an investor that stopped in the middle of renovations, and it could be many reasons. The one is, hey, you ran out of money, right? And or hey, you bought it too much, and the renovation was more than what you estimated in the beginning. That happens to a lot of new investors, and so because of that, an investor would be like, well, I gotta sell because it was the renovation is more than what I anticipated or what I calculated in the past, being that I've misinterpreted the renovation. So that could also help for the buyer because now it's just like, look, I just want to get out of it because I'm sitting here paying taxes as the investor. So there's my motivation to get rid of it. So that creates, opportunity for someone to talk me into getting rid of the property because the property is more of a burden than me just getting the money. All right. So actually, the fact that someone stopped in the middle is even more reason to go in and get more questions and find the motivation if that is one of the reasons.